How far? Wetin I carry me come here today? No be like wetin you dey always carry me come here. Today I wan talk about the world beyond the ice wall. Okay, what is the world beyond the ice wall? For most of us, for even people like me, I believe sey na 7 continent na im we get, which is Africa, America, Africa, Asia, Antarctica, South America, North America, Europe and Australia, which is the 7 continent wey we get. But funny enough, no be 7 continent wey we get be dat. It's far more than dat, because those set of continent na the continent wey dey inside the ice wall na im be dat, which is the ones I just mention, which is Africa, Asia, um South America, North America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Shey you understand? So now, outside the ice wall, wetin dey outside the ice wall? Before we go get to dat, we need to understand something. One thing wey we need to first understand be sey we no dey alone. And as I mean sey we no dey alone, I mean am with every fibre wey dey inside my being and my blood. We no dey alone for dis planet wey we dey. You see, dey make us make we believe sey earth is spherical, the earth is round, sey the sun dey outside of dis earth, which is dem say some million years ago. Na lie dey lie. Dis sun wey we see so, na inside dis dome na im dey with us. Dis moon wey dey come out, na inside dis dome wey we dey. Shey you understand? You see, make I try explain something. Stars, stars wey you dey see so, stars still dey outside, I no doubt about stars. But see sun and moon, dey dey inside dome wey we dey so. Before, back den, dis earth wey we dey get more than one sun and one star. See graph, one sun and one star. But something happen wey dem call the rapture. You see the rapture, the way dey make us believe about the rapture, dey make us believe sey the rapture na something wey go happen someday, sometime. But meanwhile, you see dis rapture of a thing, rapture don already happen, and dey dey try tell us sey rapture don already happen for inside most of the holy books wey dem give us to keep us in line. Dey dey try tell us sey dis rapture e don already happen, but make e no, because dey no want make e happen again, na why dey create the dome. And see, make I first start from the ice wall first. You see those ice wall, if dey talk, dey go talk sey the ice wall is to keep the water, our water, from going outside, because dey talk sey if the ice wall no surround earth, if e no surround the 7 continent, sey the water wey we get go go outside, e go flow, because dey say na flat earth. Now if we talk about flat earth, dey think sey after the ice wall sey nothing dey, which is a big lie. After the ice wall, there are many continent like Lemuria, Urus, but I will still get to dat place sha. Ice wall, dat ice wall was never to keep the water in, it was to keep the water out. You dey hear me? You dey hear me? Ice wall was never to keep the water in, it is to keep the water out. The time of Noah wey we dey talk about, make we first start from dat time. See the time of Noah, sey God tell Noah sey Noah o, I wan destroy the world o, now you need to build ark. The ark wey I want make you build, I want make e be ark of covenant. Make you carry everybody wey wan enter into the ark, make you carry dem enter into the ark. Den if dey don enter into the ark, den wetin go happen? I go destroy the world, abi no be so? Noah enter the ark. Noah, im wife, Noah get 3 sons and im sons get 3 wife. So which means say all the people wey dey inside the ark together dey be how many? Dey be 8 people. Noah plus 7 other people. As I count continent, how many continents na here say I count? 7 continents. Na 7 continents na im be. Shey you dey hear me? Na 7 continents na im be. Now you see na the people wey be say the world, the rapture e don already happen. God already destroy the world. The creator already destroy the world. Shey you understand? But now you see this above us now, as we dey look up now, there is a dome above us. There is a dome above us. You see that dome plus the ice wall na im dey keep that water out, wey make that water no fit enter into this our own society, into this our own system. Na that dome now, you see every soul wey dey born, every soul born of a woman, born of anything, every soul wey dey born, wey die, no dey go any heaven. You see if you dey think about say maybe na heaven you dey go abi na hellfire you dey go, you no dey go anywhere. The truth is that as dem dey born you wey you dey die, immediately dem dey assign you into another body, into another family wey dem go born you put. You gats stay alive because now, because there is something that we call overpopulation, underpopulation and depopulation. Shey you understand? Now overpopulation na when the number of the people wey suppose dey for certain place, na when economy don dey grow pass the way the government anticipate say e suppose grow. Maybe now dey talk say okay now for this city, for this street, for this country, for this state, dey don know say na so so amount of people na im suppose dey there. Dey talk say okay now for this place o, na 100,000 people na im suppose live for there. Place wey 100,000 people suppose dey, wey be say na food for 100,000 people na im dey there, 200,000 people come dey dey, you know say chaos go dey. Shey you know? And if chaos don dey, people go start to dey kill each other. Den na from there dem go wan start to dey look for places to go stay, make another person go want to find another place dey go stay, their brain go open to another thing. But no, if everybody dey in peace wey be say I dey enjoy, you dey enjoy, I go travel go your side, you go travel come my side, nobody go too reason am say about all these things. But now that overpopulation now, once overpopulation don happen, government na im dey go, na wetin go make dem go do depopulation be that. How dem dey take dey do depopulation? Wey dem take dey keep us in control? You see depopulation na very simple something. Dem go create virus, dem go create virus like coronavirus, like ebola, like antivirus. Shey you understand? Wey be say plenty people dem go die for that virus, plenty people dem go die for inside, dem go through the virus dem go die, dem go lose their life, dem go lose their family through the virus. Dem don depopulate be that. Or make dem start war, or make dem know how dem dey pull the strings wey be say some earthquakes go happen, tsunami go dey happen, all this hurricane go dey happen wey go take many people lives. Na depopulation dem dey do small small be that, to reduce the population from going outside. Because you see now, na this inside this dome wey we dey, inside this dome wey we dey, na this sun wey we dey see for up, this sun, the moon, na im dem dey use dey reincarnate the life wey dey for this earth. And before dey cover the dome, dey bring some people inside this dome wey no suppose dey inside this dome. Dey bring some souls inside this dome wey no suppose dey inside this dome. You see those souls now, those souls na dem wey be say na here no be their house, here no be their place. But now e just be like say, na because of those people now make God, or how I wan take talk am, make the creator, the primordial being never destroy this place. Because once those people dey ascend, wey dem comot for this place, then the primordial being go fit destroy this place. But because of say those souls still dey here and dem still dey reincarnate for here, na im make those souls now, na im make here now dey never go. You no understand me? You no understand me abi? I say ark, we never leave the ark. We no fit leave the ark. If I hope say na all of us wey be say we go understand the story of Noah well well. maybe say we watch the movie because me I know the story for well na movie wey I watch for dat Noah story. When him and him family with everything wey dem want wey dem don enter into the ark, wetin happen? One spirit lock the door for behind dem. Dem no fit open the door from inside, abi no be so? The door can only be opened from outside, abi how? I no even know, but one spirit sha open the e sha lock the door behind dem. Dem no fit lock the door. It is not a physical ship. It is not a physical ship. It is a ship. It is an ark. The dome to keep the water out, make sure that the water did not enter into this our domain, to make sure that the water actually stays shut, actually stays put where it is. You see, for like for this my note now, you see like Aten, Atum, Libraries, Data, Gemini, Trot, all those places, water don wipe am. Dat one na outside the ice wall be dat o. Shey you understand? Outside the ice wall be dat o. If you still wan comot for ice wall, e still get place wey dem dey call mountain ring. See, after mountain ring, place wey be say Nemo, Osiris, Isis, Eye of Anubis, Formosa Optima, Lemuria, Atlantis, Horus, Odin, Valeria, New Bayeria, all those ones all those ones water don wipe am. Dey talk say the giant dey come. You see those giants you no go see everything in dis life is just metaphorical, to be honest. Everything in dis life is metaphorical. They are giants, true true, they are giants. They came from their own land, from far away land. I hope you getting me. They came from their own land, from their far away land, because they know that their land will be destroyed. Not because they want to mate with human beings, with humans, because to them we are so tiny, we are puny. They came because they know that their this thing will be destroyed, and the spirit that talked to them was not God's spirit, because the primordial spirit wanted to destroy this world and start over again. But now because of say this earth still dey, this dome still dey, they can't actually start again. Not until every one of us is dead. Not until every one of us is dead. You see this dome wey you dey see so, wey you dey see for up so this dome wey we dey see, the power source wey dey control this dome na im dey for Antarctica. The power source wey dey control this dome wey we dey see so, wey cover us, na im dey for Antarctica. Na why dem no dey gree make anybody go there. Na why dem no dey gree make anybody gas go there. Shey you understand? Because dem know say now if dem open the place to tourists, one person fit just go play now, go there one day, make all these people wey dey say dem be tourists, dem just play, dey go there, dey go touch one thing. Instead of wey dream go comot, dem just see say heaven just open, say na water start dey pour in. I hope say you try dey get wetin I dey talk. Na dome. So we dey inside the dome. Now as those giants wey dey come here now wey dem don dey inside the dome, because before everything actually happen, dem too dem don already start. See na dis dome now, na im be the severance from our soul going into the spirit world. Shey you dey get? Na im sever our soul from going into the spirit world. So if you die, dem go reborn you as human being. So even those giants, as dem too dem die, dem reborn dem in as human beings for here. So now dem come reborn dem as human beings like us now wey we say we dey together. Some beings are light beings, some beings are beings of the sun, some beings are beings of the moon. Dis sun and the moon is being used to refer is being used to refresh our soul so that we can put back into a little child's body to start over, to wipe the memory, clean slate. Some people has been living life over life, life over life of torment. They will be tormenting them in several lifetimes just because they don't want them to go, and they don't have use for them. They don't want them to enjoy the life, but they can't let them go. They don't want them to enjoy their life, but they can't let them go. The ones that later succumb are the ones you see that they are celebrities. They are the ones that you see that they are famous. The ones that you see that they are fucking rich because they actually decided to give up. That I don't tire. I don't tire. I don't tire. Me like this now. I don't dey tire. I don't dey tire. So all the talks wey dem dey talk, wey dem talk say yes, all dis thing wey dem dey do na for alien invasion. They know themselves that there is no alien invasion. They know that there is no alien invasion. No alien dey come, nothing dey come. Na the water wey dem don shut out dey no wan make e enter. You know wetin funny pass be sey na the people wey be sey dem know the truth pass na dem dey defend the truth. Na dem dey defend lie. People wey know the truth na dem dey, like I dey always talk sey na people wey know the truth na dem dey defend lie. Dem themselves dem know about. Now e get some level of clearance wey you go get, wey dem go call you, wey dem go like now US, United States of America, the president dem go sabi all dis things. Nigeria, all those president, all those freemasons dem go teach dem all dis things. Say see as e be, dis but you have to have a level of clearance before dey go actually tell you dis thing. And there will be an oath of secrecy for you to keep it short, because once you try to tell anybody, that person you dey endanger that person life be that. I hope sey dis one wey me I talk for here no go put my own life for danger sha. Anywho, na to keep the water out. Shey you dey grab? Na to keep the water out. Not that because so na the inside the ark na im we dey like dis. No rapture dey happen again. No, no, no. Jesus is not coming back. No one is coming to save you. Believe that and find peace. Jesus is not coming back. No one is coming to save you. If dem see sey maybe everything wan go wrong, you go see dem go e don get one thing wey don happen wey dem don already test dis thing like sey Jesus is coming back. Dem test am for sky wey be sey the people for Greek or for where that time I don forget where I see that news. Dem dey see beings like dem gods for sky that time. Na holographic image na im dem dey show dem, just to show you sey e dey sup. If dem wan do am for you, you go see am DVD. You go see am sey I see Jesus for sky. You no see any Jesus. You no see anybody. Na wetin dem want make you see. Na wetin dem wan program you make you believe na you dey believe, my brother and sisters. Shey you dey grab? They don't really care about you. All they really care about is keeping their secret a secret. They will give you a lot of secret, but they won't give you the main secret that makes it being a secret. Because e get some kind things wey be sey if you never follow dem do, dem no go like give you the in toto. Shey you understand? Wetin make human beings tick. Na why dem dey give us religion, all dis things. See now that's why dey give us religion. Religion na to keep us in line so that wetin happen back then e no go happen again. So that everybody go dey get some laws wey dem go dey abide to. If you no follow society law, you follow religious law. If you no follow religious law, you follow group law. If you no follow group law, you follow court law. You know how wey you no go belong for one side. You must belong for one side. Na people wey be outcast like me now, people like you and me now, wey be sey we be outcast like dis now, na im dey still dey find, no how na dem go still find way wey dem go still wan pinpoint you for somewhere sey dis one na so so place na im e belong. It's a hard life we live. It's a very hard knock on our life that you either want to rise or make dem use you rise. Na I know the kind lifestyle you want. But anything wey you do for dis life, do am well. And if you dey do something wey be sey you dey believe sey heaven is the goal, we're sorry to break it to you, you're not going anywhere. I'm so sorry to break it to you. They can't tell you the truth because they will tell you say they tell you go panic. See cause war breakout, you cause this thing. You tell you say you go panic. The same the moon landing wey you see the land for me na lie. The moon landing na lie. NASA when they first started digging into the ocean floor, the place where the real mystery lies is in the ocean floor. The real mystery na for the ocean floor. When they start digging into the ocean floor, they started seeing things. That is the space, the outside space, outside of this dome, outside space in the ocean below, not upstairs, nothing dey for up. When they start to dey go down, they see say omo, when they start dey see things, dey look say if dem start to dey reveal dis things wey dem see, say pipu go panic. So wetin dem do? Wetin dem do? Dem start to dey point am for up say make we dey go up. Up wey dem think say na lie. So everybody start dey look up, moon landing like you say e deceive you. So oya now, make I no too go far for dis thing wey I dey do. Shey you understand? Make I no too go far for dis thing wey I dey do. I go dey drop steady make I no fall. You no dey go anywhere. Stay safe.